Now we are walking towards Echo Point, another major point of attraction in Matheran. This is the approachway, and right in front you see a crowd standing. That is the beginning point of the Echo Point. And here you have game shops, shooting and all, just for fun. It's around 12:30 now, but still the sun is out, but you don't have any sweat or humidity. Simple reason being you are in a hill station. And here we come down to the Echo Point. Just look at the view. I'll just go a bit closer to give you the view of the point. Absolutely breathtaking views. Simply amazing. Another view from the edge of the point. Just look at the mountains, naturally eroded by rainwater. Just another wonder of nature. Look at the just crowd.